Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix if you can't join games on your Roblox. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So go over to your icon settings here, settings, and go over to your privacy and make sure that account restrictions are disabled, what I have here. So make sure they are not enabled like that. Make sure they are disabled. As you can see, this is now disabled, guys. And after done with that, go over to parental controls. And this should probably ask you to enable your parent pin, but make sure that the 13 plus is enabled or even 17. But on the 17 plus, you are enabled to verify your age or then ask to verify your age if you want that. But for me, I'll just stick with the 13 plus there. Just make sure that they are not set to 9 plus. So there guys, as you can see, that is how you can fix all of these issues guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.